Hey, what's up, guys? I've actually been struggling with making this video for a while because I don't know if you know this or not. I have the recipe for the world's greatest lemon cookies. And I feel selfish keeping this all to myself. Because, it feels good when you go to a party and people are like, wow, these cookies are really delicious. Who made these? And they're like, Tim made these cookies. And they're like, yeah, right. No way. Tim can't do anything right. He's a complete loser. Well, anyways, it's time for me to share this recipe with the rest of you. And this recipe actually came from my grandma, and I'll never forget it. I went to see her when she was on her deathbed. And she looked at me and she said, Tim, you're sitting on my oxygen line. Anyways, let's get into that recipe. Okay, we start out by preheating the oven to 350 degrees. And a little pro tip, pull out your pan sooner than later so you don't burn the skin off your hands when you go to get it. Okay, this recipe is actually super easy. Get a lemon cake mix. I prefer the Duncan Hines. 1/3 cup oil, 2 eggs, and a little bit of lemon extract. And you see this lemon here? Don't use it at all because it'll completely ruin the batter. Now let's mix it all together. Okay, be careful with the lemon extract. A little bit goes a long way. I like to mix it with a sturdy fork because this batter gets pretty thick. Wow, it's pretty cool, huh? You need me to show you how to mix it too? Come on, get real. You can see, this batter is pretty thick. That's what she said. Okay, and spray a little vegetable oil in the pan here. Okay, put the cookie dough on the sheet and then cook for 350 for 10 minutes. I'm just kidding. Now, cookie size is personal preference, but I like to make them about yay big. Oh, and I know what you're thinking right now. Oh, his kitchen's so dirty. Oh, well, congratulations on living in a model home. Why don't you just write down in the comments right now how impressed you are with your perfect kitchen and how much better you are than everyone. 15 cookies. Put these in the oven on the middle rack. Set the timer for 10 minutes. Now it's time to take the cookies out of the oven. Make sure you put on an oven mitt before you grab them. I don't know why I have to tell you that. I guess I have to tell you everything though. I mean, well, you know what? Just leave them in the oven. Burn down your whole house. I don't care what you do, okay? I like to use a fork. Push them down a little bit. I'm sure all you professional chefs in the comments can tell me why this is wrong, and you know what? Nobody cares. Nobody likes you. That's why you have to complain in YouTube comments, okay? Last step is to get some powdered sugar, sprinkle it on top. I'm sure there's better ways to do this, and why don't you go ahead and put those in the comment section too, since you know everything, okay? Nobody cares. That's it. Let them cool down, and then eat them. Do you need me to do a video on how to eat cookies next? Seriously, all jokes aside, these cookies are really good, so give it a try sometime if you're not too busy thinking about yourself, okay? Thanks for watching.